Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to a new video. Today we are doing a new install on the 2018 Honda Accord. So no install on the beautiful 2022 GR86. So we do have a couple mods we're going to be installing on the Accord today. So the first one is going to be some paint match side skirts, and the second mod is going to be a rear diffuser piece which has a fourth brake light, I believe. So anyway, it's going to be pretty sick. Thank you to American Modified for sending these out for the video. Anyway, let's get right into the install. Last time we made a video on the Accord, it was with these beautiful taillights, and these are absolutely amazing. These are from American Modified as well. There's some smoke taillights with a cool little animation and sequential turn signal. So if you guys are interested in checking this video out as well, make sure to click the little button on top of the screen right now and you'll be able to watch it. But looking at the Accord right now, the front lip we got last time was hit with something that fell off of a truck. So it did chip it like 2 times, and it pulled off the little black accent on the front on the passenger side. So it doesn't look horrible, but it is pretty messed up at the moment. But these side skirts that we're going to be installing today will make it look a lot cleaner. It is part of the same exact body kit as the front lip, so it'll match it perfectly. So here's what it looks like from the side. And here's the box we got from American Modified. It says body kit on it and GF body kit. So we're gonna go ahead and install these and see how it looks. So here's what the side skirts look like. Unfortunately, the box did not include any tape or screws, which you're going to need for the install. So I went ahead and got a roll of tape that I already had of double-sided tape and applied it to the inside of the side skirt right here. It's the only way it's going to be able to stick on the side of your car is you do double-sided tape on the side and then screws in the bottom and the sides. So if you have any extra screws at home, you can use those. But basically we slid it right into place with the tape. So here's what it turned out looking like. The tape is definitely needed. You slide it right into place, remove the tape, and push it right in. I screwed it into the bottom so far. I haven't screwed it into the side here. I don't know if I need to, but I might just do that for extra security. So it's held on there a little bit better. But overall, it looks absolutely amazing. The paint match is pretty good. Obviously, in certain lighting conditions, it looks slightly different than the OEM paint, but looking at it right here close up, looks really good. Definitely like how it makes the angles look on the side of the car. Makes it look a whole lot more aggressive. And this car is not lowered, so seeing it like that versus this side, which is still OEM, does look a lot lower on the side we modified. All right, so now we're going to install the rear diffuser piece on the Accord. So here's the fourth brake light they provided. You're going to be installing that on the back, on the bottom of the car right there. To get started, removing some of the pieces, you have to go under your car, and there's just a few clips holding in the OEM pieces for the original diffuser. And you don't have to take off that much for this install, so it's pretty cool. So these just pop out. You can get like a trim removal tool and just pull on them, and the clips should come out pretty easily. And then right behind this one is held on by a screw in the back, so you just need to get that out and it should pop right out for you. After you get those pieces of plastic out, all you have to do is slide in the new diffuser and it should pop right into place with the clips. Put your light in there. There's a couple screws on the back, and it's all plug and play, so pretty cool. Anyway, here's what the light looks like. It's absolutely amazing. Love the little flashes when you hit the brake. Definitely a lot safer on the road when people are not paying attention, so it's really nice having a fourth brake light on the car. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this diffuser or side skirts, or both of them, make sure you check out American Modified. I will have a link in the description down below for you guys to check it out. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video.